2025 Mercedes G63 6x6 is a bold statement in luxury off-road capability, combining the ruggedness of a six-wheel drive system with the opulence Mercedes-Benz is known for. It's designed for those who seek unmatched performance, exclusivity, and head-turning design in any environment. Exterior: the G63 6x6 retains the iconic boxy G-Class silhouette but on a grander scale. Features include muscular fender flares, 6 massive off-road tires, LED lighting, and an elevated ride height. The exterior is further enhanced with chrome detailing, a sporty grille, and a choice of custom paint finish to suit its commanding presence. Performance under the hood: the G63 6x6 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing around 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all 6 wheels. Advanced off-road technology, portal axles, and multiple differential locks make it capable of conquering any terrain, while adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride. Interior: inside, the G63 6x6 offers unparalleled luxury. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. A dual-screen infotainment system with MBUX ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof provide both comfort and advanced connectivity. Ample cabin space ensures a first-class experience for all passengers. Price: with exclusivity in mind, the 2025 G63 6x6 starts at around $750,000, making it one of the most expensive vehicles in the Mercedes lineup. Customization options can push this price even higher. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes G63 6x6 is the epitome of extravagance and engineering prowess. While its price and size make it impractical for most, it remains a dream machine for adventurers and collectors who desire the ultimate in luxury and performance.